In today's session, let us look about how to plan a career. Career planning is an essential thing to do for a satisfied and successful life. It is a process to decide goals and objectives in a career after self-exploration and market research. Self-exploration includes assessing skills, experiences, values, relevant education, and market research, including job profile search on job portals, market trends, and statistics about target career interest and job role. Now let's get into our point, that is, how to plan a career. Planning a career is a process with proper research and understanding. Let's go through step by step to understand the process. The first stage is research about career options. The first thing to do in planning is researching career interests. Ask friends, family, and also seek out help from counselors. Candidates can also attend webinars, see informational videos relevant to the career option. Enroll in an internship and understand the work and job expectations. The second stage is market research. Do market research to find out the best career opportunity in terms of better prospects, relevancy as per education and experience. Read journals and the government data on the job market to identify jobs with great potential and package. The third stage is choosing career options as per skill sets. The candidate should choose a career that suits his or her skills. The career should make you confident and satisfied for a bright career ahead. The fourth stage is assessing the qualifications that are required for opted career. Identify the level of education required for career interest. Different jobs need different qualifications, such as graduate level, postgraduate level, diploma, certificates, etc. Some of the jobs need advanced certification with degree graduation or post-graduation. If the candidate is applying overseas for the job, he or she should do proper research about the license, certifications, etc. required in that particular country. These requirements could vary from country to country. The fifth stage is the salaries and perks. Job portals provide detailed reports on salary trends, job demand, skills in demand, etc. through analytics. Visit these job portals to explore salary ranges, top companies hiring, skills you require to develop to excel in the particular career, and several other metrics to help decide a career. The sixth stage is to compare career options. After all research and deciding on a few options of career, job aspirants needs to be compared with the available options. Choose as per your goals and objectives. The seventh stage is to decide on goals. After doing all research and deciding on a career interest, it is time to decide how to plan a career that fulfills various life goals and objectives. To ensure goals fulfillment, they should be SMART, where S stands for specific, M for measurable, A for attainable, R for relevant, and T for time-bound. Every goal should be with a deadline that will push you for more effort and dedication towards your career path. The last stage is to action plan for goals and objectives. After research and goal setting, this is the last step before starting the job hunt and pursuing a career interest. Create a roadmap with different milestones, save it in the digital device for daily checking. Follow the plan religiously and complete them one by one for a successful life ahead. Now let's conclude this session. These are steps to understand how to plan a career with an organized and wise approach. Don't forget to reward yourself on the completion of each milestone. Keep updating your resume with new skills, advanced certification to stay ahead in the curve. Goals and objectives should be adjustable as per career demands and market metrics.